Hello friends and welcome back to you once again. Artificial intelligence AI is rapidly changing the world. And it's also creating new opportunities to make money. If you're looking for ways to use AI technology to boost your income, here are 5 of the top AI tools that can help you get started. So without wasting any more, let's get started. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool that can be used to generate text, translate languages. You can use ChatGPT to generate high-quality content for clients. You can use ChatGPT to create engaging and informative social media posts. In recent years, there has been a growing trend of people using ChatGPT to make money. Lalail AI is an audio stem splitter that lets you remove instrumentals and vocals from music tracks. This can be a valuable tool for music producers, DJs, and anyone who wants to create custom remixes or mashups. Beginners can sell this services online platforms and earn smart money. This is an AI image creator tool that can generate realistic images from text descriptions. This tool is still in development, but it has the potential to be a powerful tool for creative professionals. You could use this tool to create product mock-ups, generate marketing materials, or even design your own custom artwork, and earn money with SmartWay. Lumen 5 is an online video creator that uses AI to help you create dynamic videos from text transcripts. This tool is a great way to create explainer videos, product demos, or social media content without having to learn how to edit videos. CopyAI is a copywriting tool that uses AI to help you write unique and engaging content. This tool can be used to create blog posts, ad copy, email marketing campaigns, and more. This tool is a great way to save time and improve the quality of your content. These are just a few of the many AI tools that you can use to make money. With the right tools, you can automate tasks, generate content, and create new products and services. If you're looking for ways to use AI to make money, these are a great place to start. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.